I only have a few coins for food.
I hope someone likes my music today. Wait, why is that stroller moving alone?
You are going toward the busy road. It is okay, little one. I have you.
Where is your mommy? Is anyone here? Please do not cry. I am a friend.
That dirty boy is touching a fancy stroller.
You look very cold in this wind, Leo.
Get away from that baby right now, boy! I am only trying to help this baby.
I am calling the police on you now.
I cannot leave him alone in the street. Maybe a song will make you feel better.
You are safe now, little Leo. Listen to this. Da-da! Just listen. Everything is okay.
You like the music, don't you, little Leo?
He is probably trying to steal the baby.
You have many tears on your red cheeks. I am not your Dada, but I am here.
What is happening over here on this street? I found this baby rolling down the hill.
This boy stole the stroller from the park.
Is this true? Did you take this baby? No! The stroller was moving fast toward the cars.
He is lying. Look at his dirty clothes.
The baby looks safe, but he is very upset. It is okay, little boy. I am a police officer.
He is such a loud and difficult baby.
Please, let me play my guitar for him again.
Do not let that boy near the child.
He was calm when you played the music? He likes the sound of the guitar strings. Show me what you can do, Max. Sleep now, baby, under the bright stars. See, baby Leo? It's just a song. Aren't the sounds nice?
How did he make the baby stop crying?
You have a very special heart, young man. Leo! Where is my baby Leo? thank God. Is my baby okay? I am so sorry I let go for 1 second. What happened to the stroller, ma'am? The bag fell. I turned around. The wind was fast.
This boy was taking your baby away.
Wait, did you take him or help him?
I only stopped the stroller from hitting a car.
I saw him playing music to quiet the baby. Look! The brake on this wheel is completely broken. You didn't steal him. You saved my little Leo.
He is a very good and sweet baby.
I thought he was a bad boy because of his clothes. You should not judge a person by their appearance.
How can I ever thank you for your help? I do not need anything. I am just happy.
Hi, little guy.
Play.
Wanna play with me?
Please, play one more song for my son.
This is a song for a brave baby.
That boy plays the guitar like a real star. This is for your beautiful music and your soul.
Wait, there is so much money in my hat now.
You are an honorary officer today, Max.
I am sorry for the things I said earlier.
It is okay.
We will come to hear you play every week.
Bye-bye. I feel like the luckiest boy in the city.
Keep playing that music. It changes the world. I can finally buy a warm dinner tonight.
I am glad I was here at the right time. I have a new shirt and a full stomach.
I made this for you this morning, Max.
You are very kind to me, Mrs. Gossip.
We are here for our favorite music, Max.
Music! Music!
Little Leo is happy and safe today.
Are you the boy who saved the baby yesterday? I just did what was right to do.
This boy is a hero with a beautiful guitar.
The whole city will know your story tonight.
Look! I am on the news with Leo.
I saw you on TV. You have great talent.
Hello there.
I only taught myself how to play music.
Come to my school. I will teach you for free.
I can finally learn how to be a real musician.
Officer Jane, I am going to music school. I knew you were special the moment we met.
We are going on a big adventure together. This song is for all the people who helped me.
He looks so handsome and so happy now.
Thank you for listening to my heart today.
He is the best boy I have ever known.